Hello guys, it's Jerry here, and today we will be checking out the new Apple Watch Series 6. This is actually my mom's watch, so it is very generous of her letting me to do this unboxing video. Anyways, less talking, more unboxing. Let's get right into the video. And we're back. This watch is gorgeous. So in this first impression video, we're only gonna cover some of the key features and what I like about it. So first of all, we have to cover the blood oxygen measurement. This works very well. We have tested it many times and my blood oxygen always stays above 95%. This could be a very useful feature when you're hiking, running, or just exercising. Continuously checking your blood oxygen is important. This watch also has sleep tracking and heart rate monitoring, if any of you are wondering. This year, they also added some colors to the aluminum choice. There are the new Product Red and Midnight Blue. Those both look gorgeous, and I really wish they're gonna be on the upcoming iPhone 12. This year, they also added some new band options to their collection. They added the solo band options. Apple actually gives you a measuring tool to measure at home and then choose the size that you fit. But actually, it doesn't work quite as well as Apple thought it would be. It is 2 sizes larger, and many people getting it regrets it and ended up having to return it and probably will receive it until November. But those solo bands are convenient once you get the right size, because you can just slip it on and never worry about it. It is very stretchy, and it works well with your wrist. And also, they added some new watch faces. Apple actually made a dedicated video showing you all of this. I'm gonna link that down in the description. So that's been it. The Apple Watch is still an Apple Watch. No major changes, but the new blood oxygen measuring is pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.